Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily share a project file. So when you share these project files, if you just copy that .proj file, so if you just copy this .prj file and send it to someone, they will face some issues like missing files. So there's a cool method in Premiere which you can use to avoid this. By doing this, Adobe Premiere Pro will create you a folder with all the files which are used in the project. So it will make the sharing easier and you don't have any offline files. So let's get into the video. I'll just add some files and video files and show you how it's done. I'll just copy some files and add it to the Premiere and add it to my timeline as well. Now you can see I have just these two videos right here. So first you have to do to make this a project file without any offline files or something like that, you have to go onto the file. Now you have to click on project manager right in here. Once you are in your project manager, you have to select the sequence. If you have multiple sequences, you have to select the sequence which you want to export. So in my case it's a sequence 1. You have to leave all those sequences selected. In your case, I'll just put it change the location to desktop so you guys also can see how it's done. So once that's done, you can click on OK and click on OK right here. It will take some time. Now let's just wait for that to be done. Okay, so I think it's done, so I'll just go on to my desktop and you can see I have this folder right here. Now let me just open this one. As you can see in here, you have all the files and also you can see those two files which I imported is also here, and it has sketch and everything, so it won't show any errors or something like that. If I open this open this project file, it will have all the files, and now you can share this folder with your colleagues or your teammates who are working on your project. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.